Good morning, George Adventure here. Early morning, Friday morning, got a fire going. I'm gonna do a video on this little jewel right here. I found this thing on eBay, Evil Bay, as Richter calls it. This is a Kabar 1092. It's a bird's eye Stockman. It's 3 blades. It's 3 1/4 inches here to here. And it is a 1960 through 70s model. I've never owned one of these. I saw it. I thought it was a cool looking knife. I saw somebody, and I'm trying to think who it was, do a video. Might have been J.O. I can't remember, but so yeah, it's got carbon steel. It's got Delrin. Got a yellow Delrin covers, handles, whatever you choose to call them. This is your bird's eye. Your little bird's eye pins. It's 3 bladed. It's got I can get it out of here. It's got a clip point right here. You can see, let's see if you can see yeah, you can see the K-bar right there. See the K-bar on the tang. Let's see what else it's got on the tang. It's hard to write and it's so small. It's got USA. Nothing on that side. So you got your nice little clip blade. Nice little snap on it. And you got your little spade blade here. Nothing stamped on the tang of that blade. It's just a nice little spade blade. Nice snap. Then you got your little sheep's foot blade. Nothing on it. You know, if you like to carry a small knife, this would be a good one. Said it's pretty small, 3 1/4 inches long. See your back springs, 2 back springs. And this thing, you know, it's got a little something right here, but it doesn't matter because this thing's, like I said, it's an older knife. It's a vintage knife, so it's just a neat knife. Came with this box. This box looks brand new. A little bit faded. Kabar, a product of Cole. I can't hardly read what that says. Cole National Corporation, Consumer Products Division, Cleveland, Ohio. Made in the USA. Then you got the same thing on the bottom here. Then you open the box up. Neat little box. And you got the plastic it came in. And then you got the little bit of literature. Kind of cool. You can definitely tell it's vintage. Much obliged to you for buying a Kabar knife. And it's just got some, it says, for all the folks at Kabar, let me thank you for becoming a Kabar owner. As you probably know, Kabars are still made mostly by hand, just like the old days, and our inspectors really check them out carefully, so every Kabar is good as we can make it. Thanks again, and I know you're going to enjoy the appearance, or you're going, it's kind of hard to say. Thanks again, and I know you're going to enjoy and appreciate your Kabar for a mighty long time. Gerald Sykes Kabar Knives, Olean, New York. Handcrafted in the USA since 1898. There's nothing on this side. So pretty cool little little bit of literature, historical literature. Yeah, this thing's pretty much mint. Nice little find on eBay. You know, I'm starting to spend more time looking for some of the older vintage knives. I'm still going to buy the new knives, but I'm looking at the vintage knives. You know, spending some time trying to find them. But it fits in here nice. It'd be a nice little carry knife for sure. If you like the little small pocket knives, it'd be a great little carry knife. So anyway, that's the video, and I appreciate all y'all, and keep your powder dry, man. Keep your powder dry. Y'all have a safe day today. It's Friday. Hallelujah. And y'all have a great day. Be safe out there, people. God bless you.